The Blood, Sweat, Gears crew is scattered all about the country. We're all from different cities. We're on our way out to Sturgis, and all of us are together at one point, and we just get to go out and ride.
When I get on my motorcycle and I get out there riding, I forget about everything else that's going on.
I try not to think about anything, and if you get that mindset, you can really enjoy riding a lot. It's just my time when I'm on the motorcycle.
Time, energy, air, everything changes when you're out on your bike.
You're handlebar to handlebar with these guys, and you know, their life's in your hands, your life's in their hands, and the camaraderie there and the bonds that you form and the places that you go together, that's part of the fun of motorcycle riding is the people that you ride with.